So welcome back to the channel. The real task is to replace this lever. It's working intermittently, and in my past video I showed that I purchased a lever through Rock Auto. So let's give it a shot. Screws, there are two screws below, 1 and 2, and it's a what is this? T25. And then we have to pull this off.
This off.
And then to take this off, it's a E5. So it's like a socket, but with a Torx shape inside. Tilt it down, and then so you need the mechanic's pick to remove this. It's off. We need the Torx again. T25. And then here. So it's this one. Sometimes these bolts are tight. I just have to give it a tap a little. There. That's off. The problem with this was this. It wasn't pushing in and out, and then the signal light sometimes works and sometimes it doesn't. So now there's one here that we need to remove, and then here, and then there, and I think that's it. These are all clips. So in order to remove this, you're gonna have to unscrew this, and this. And then on the top part, they're just clips where you will just pull it off And then for the handbrake release, it's going to be, you need to push this and this inwards, so it will be released. Then after that, it's gonna be this, 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 and this. I think we can just leave that there, and then let's just remove their connectors. I think the best way is to remove that bolt. It's a 7. We have taken off the mount of the harness, and then let's remove this one. And then cut off this cable ties. So we need to unscrew this red bolt for us to be able to disconnect the harness. And there's another wire that you need to remove, which is this one. And that's the last piece of the puzzle, and then you can yank this out. So old one is off, and next thing to be done is to put the new one in. Well, maybe a little bit more difficult. Maybe it's gonna be easier, but it's just a reverse, so I'm just gonna dive into it. So we're done. It's working fine. Hazard lights are working now. Signal light left, right. Cruise control was working. Wiper is working. So it appears to be working fine. The only thing noticeable is that there is no clicking sign. There is, but it's not as strong as the original one. And the cruise button is flush as compared to the original one, where it's how do you call it, concave. Anyways, but it doesn't bother me as long as it's working. So this is a WVE brand, and I would recommend it. Anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.